Thanks so much, everybody, for joining us during the Power Virtual Agents Week. We've had the opportunity to hear from a member of the Power Virtual Agents team. We saw a demo of Power Virtual Agents using generative actions, and we looked at some sensational Power Virtual Agent sessions planned for the upcoming Microsoft Power Platform Conference in Las Vegas this October. Now, if you missed out on any of this week's Power Virtual Agents content, we've provided catch-up links to all the goodness into the copy of this post, alongside a link for you to find out more info about Microsoft Power Platform Conference in 2023. We cannot wait to see you all in person for what is sure to be one of the highlights of this year's community calendar. It is absolutely my favorite conference to be a part of, and I cannot wait to see all of you wonderful people there. So make sure to register at powerplatformconf.com and stay tuned, because next week we will be showcasing Power BI all week. So don't miss out. I better get packing. See you there.